color box over the neon light you will receive from us. Then open the color box. Take out the neon letter. Then you will see this is the plastic frame, and this is of the neon rope. And we have two ways to connect to the power. This is the USB. You can connect to the power directly, and this is the 3AA battery box. You can for this USB, and we have a multi connector. This one, and you can use here to the power. Then you can change the 1 power to 5 letter. You can connect 5 letter connector here. So it is very easy when you want to DIY a light. Then you only use one power. It's okay. Like you will DIY buy. And also we have many new colors. And this is pink color. And purple. And this is blue. Also, for the new color of this year is a rainbow color. Yeah, and so we have totally warm white color, pink, purple, blue, and the rainbow. Have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 color can choose from.